Selling fees are super easy.
This is our current season of van life. Each day starts slow with some good coffee and music. We have new tasks that are ready to be crossed off a to-do list that doesn't seem to end. Another day of just keep going. Kind of seems to be our motto lately. Every box we check off our to-do list gets us one step closer to getting back on the road, and we're so ready to see where the next season of van life takes us. But for us, it's never really been about a finished van. We really just wanted to challenge ourselves and get out of our comfort zone, which honestly was pretty comfortable. We were ready to mix it up, focus our resources into experiences and not things. We wanted to stop repeating the same version of each day for years and call it living. In no short way, van life has changed us. Dogs too. Marley is shaping up to be a very well-rounded dog, and I cannot tell you how far Willie has come. He used to be reactive, and we thought we'd never be able to let him around unfamiliar dogs. And now this guy is the king of the dog park and runs around like the boss that he is.
Good job.
R&D what it can really look like.
I know. Just cut some corners.
You guys cut some corners. Hit a couple more spots for you. Sweet. So good.
This was an interesting tape job, so it'll be an interesting peel process.
Yeah, we'll see how.
I did my best. This is what we call bougie-on-a-budget, aka DIY Roadrunner style. Speaking of bougie on a budget, why spend hundreds of dollars for door struts when you can just pick up these sweet little bungees from your local Home Depot?
We need to have him help me or set up the sander for me. I'm going to cut these pieces. I'm going to finish this one and then I'm going to try and figure out how to get that back piece off.
Hey.
If I could get those pieces finished today, man, that would be f***ing banging.
Alright.
We'll see if we can get there though.
If you're new here, I'm Bernie, he's Dave. 2 dogs, 1 van, this is our channel. If you're into questionable van life content, welcome home. Just be sure to like and subscribe. That's like this is only going to take a couple of hours.
Well, no, this is the thing, okay? This is the thing. If I had some way to laser measure this thing and make it 100% perfect, this is a $1,500 piece. It's actually $750 for the back panels. $750. So if I pick it up, there ain't no replacing it, number one. And $750, I ain't got that kind of cash to throw around. So that's where I'm at. So I would rather cut it multiple times than one real quick time and have it be too short.
getting some weather.
Yeah, let's
I
put
can
up for sure.
smell it. Can I like let this go? Will it
Yeah, you
hang?
can let it go. It'll hang.
Okay.
Put a bigger one and tape one in place. So I can tape around the edge. What I might do here is I might actually pull this off.
It's gonna be an expensive fix, bro.
Plexiglass for
That
now.
tiny little piece of glass is gonna cost some money.
Alright, so what I did here is I got a piece all cut in. It doesn't quite fit the whole way to the top. Easy, just so it's all different. How the seams go back.